Today's cryptic crossword clue is doll dropped by weekend nursery intruder. And maybe there should be a question mark on the end. Weekend nursery intruder? Yeah. And the key to solving this clue fast, I think, is identifying where the likely definition is, because there's credible wordplay throughout the whole clue. You look at the first half of the clue and you've got doll dropped by weekend. That seems like a deletion technique where we take the word weekend and we delete something that can represent a doll. But on the other half of the clue, weekend nursery intruder, intruder seems like a great wordplay word where it indicates perhaps a hidden word. There's a word that's intruding within weekend nursery. Or weekend could be one of those words that's its own wordplay indicator and fodder. We take the end of the word week, a K, and then maybe that is intruding within a three-letter word for nursery. So there's lots of wordplay options. But when you look for what could be the definition, doll dropped is not a great definition. It's going to be hard to find an answer, four-letter answer that means doll dropped. But if you look at the other end of the clue, nursery intruder, especially nursery intruder with a question mark, seems like a really nice definition. Here on the surface, we're thinking about a kind of childcare facility, but a nursery can be more than that, and it can have different kinds of intruders, which means that we probably are better off looking for our wordplay in the first half of the clue. We're looking for weekend to drop a kind of doll, and if we look within weekend, we can see a kind of doll, a Ken doll. Obviously, Barbie's been fairly popular recently. Was it ever not popular? I'm not sure. But if you delete Ken from the word weekend, if weekend drops Ken, we get weed, and a nursery can be a place where plants are cultivated. A weed is certainly a nursery intruder.